Welcome to day 36. It is a glorious day 36. I don't think I've ever said the word glorious so much in my life as I've had on this trip. It's fitting. Anyway, day 36. I've just left Horton-in-Ribblesdale. Had a wonderfully restful day off yesterday. Yesterday was absolute crap weather, but people still marched up Pennine all the same. Most of them, I think, doing the challenge of the 3 peaks: Pennine, Inglesborough, and Whernside. It's 25 miles, 5,000 feet, and people try to do it as quick as they can because they're nutters. Anyway, I'm doing none of that, but I'm sure I'll see some of them when our trails cross further up. So today is, I'm going to say 15 miles, and I'm going to Hawes, which is like the Wensleydale capital of the world. So I'm really looking forward to stuffing my face with a lot of cheese this afternoon when I get into town. So today is wonderful, glorious. I'm rested, I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to today. It should be a gentle climb. I will not get rained on. I'm 95% sure of it. Clouds coming in later, but this whole week is stacking up to be actually pretty good, and I'm really excited to get today going and see what I get to see. Really excited for today. I think this is the first day in a long time that I've been really excited and not a little scared too, like I was when I came out of Edale. But yeah, I'm gonna get cracking. So cheers. welcome to the end of day 36. Day 36 was a bimble. I'm gonna say it was a bimble. Although a bimble doesn't have a purpose. I had a purpose, and the purpose was to get to Hawes. And here I am. 14 miles. I took a little bit of a shortcut. Pretty easy track most of the day. Yeah, just a good quality walk today. In the end, there was not that much to see that you haven't already seen already. It was pretty grassy up there along the track. I saw some gliders, but you know that already because you just watched the video. But yeah, it's about 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'm done for the day. Had an amazing time. Feel good. It was a good start to the week. And now I'm here in Hawes, which is full of motorcycle people, because that's what yahoos with motorcycles do, is ride them every Sunday. So more power to you, buddy. Anyway, yeah. So I think I'm gonna go find some beer and some cheese and some lodging and get ready for tomorrow, I suppose. I wanted to add that today was like the perfect day to start the new week. Relatively easy, just a good solid walk, like I said, but you know, I left with a lot of enthusiasm, not just for the day, but for the week. And today being a good walk just gives me more excitement for the week. Tomorrow I have a challenge to try to figure out how the hell I'm getting out of Hawes, because there's a bridge closure that affects my route. So, but I will study that tonight while probably eating a steak pie. Anyway, bye.